Hello, my friends. Today we are going to improve our fruit vocabulary. By the way, what is your favorite fruit and how many fruits do you know in English? If you are ready, let's go. Pineapple, pineapple. Coconut, coconut. Banana, banana. Apple, apple. Orange, orange. Mango, mango. Watermelon, watermelon. Melon, melon. Peach, peach. Pear, pear. Cherry, cherry. Grape, grape. Lemon, lemon. Lime, lime. Blueberry, blueberry. Raspberry, raspberry. Blackberry, blackberry. Plum, plum. Papaya, papaya. Guava, guava. Passion fruit, passion fruit. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Lychee, lychee. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Rambutan, rambutan. Mangosteen, mangosteen. Starfruit, starfruit. Apricot, apricot. Fig, fig. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Cranberry, cranberry. Avocado, avocado. Tangerine, tangerine. Nectarine, nectarine. Persimmon, persimmon.